probably wouldn't happen. So how do scientists tell dolphins apart? It has to do with what the dolphins have on their backs. They're dorsal fins, and it's these fins that scientists try and take pictures of whenever they see them out in the ocean. Because each fin of a dolphin is unique, like a fingerprint. Compare the two that you see right here. The one closest to me is very, very white, just a little bit of gray. That's Spinnaker's. And the one that's furthest away from me is very hooked at the end. That's Helen's. Now these pectoral flippers are the best way, sorry, Hannah's pectoral flipper that we just saw, it's very triangular at the end. Now these are the best dorsal fins to use for identification because there's no two dorsal fins on any dolphin that are exactly the same. And now that we know who these dolphins are, we can continue our research by focusing on their role in the ocean's food web. And these dolphins have two roles in the food web. They are both predators and prey items. And let's talk about the predator side of things first. If you take a look into their mouths, you can see between 100 and 120 teeth right there. And their teeth are used in a very different way than ours are. They don't chew with their teeth. No. Dolphins swallow their food whole, but they do use their teeth to grab onto their food, which is usually small schooling fish. However, every once in a while, dolphins manage to catch something much bigger, like a large salmon. And I don't know, dolphins, can you swallow an entire salmon whole? No, I didn't think so. That's way too big. Now, of course, the dolphins aren't really answering my question, but they are showing you what they would do if they caught a salmon. Grab it, shake it, and tear it into some easy-to-swallow pieces. Now, dolphins are great predators. We've seen that. But they have predators of their own to worry about. And one of the ways that dolphins can avoid their predators is due to their beautiful color pattern. So if you take one more look at their bodies, see if you can see the black, gray, and white stripes all over their bodies. Those stripes are a form of camouflage. It's called countershading. It helps the dolphins blend into their surroundings in two ways. Here comes Hannah, and you may notice that she's very hard to see until she pops out of the water. That's because their black backs blend in with the ocean floor, and their white bellies, you can see right there, also blend in. They blend in with the ocean surface. When you look at them from underneath. So no matter which way you look at the dolphins, they are always blending in with their surroundings. However, they still have two natural predators to be aware of. One is black and white. Can anyone shout out what that might be? The killer whale, that's right. And in order to get away from a killer whale, dolphins have to rely on some pretty incredible things they can do. Take a look, because if you